I'm Steve Wilson, so I'm CEO of Inca Digital Printers. We're based just down the road here in Cambridge. Inca has manufactured, developed our own equipment and serviced it for 20 years now. So we have an awful lot of experience of inkjet. We think we changed the way people print retail graphics with our flatbed printers from the Eagle 44 through to the Onset X series in the last few years. And we're about to change packaging too, so I'm going to tell you a bit more about that. So I'm here to tell you about SpeedSet, our new single-pass sheet-fed inkjet printer. I'll talk about its unique technologies and the applications they enable. So we're going to see inside SpeedSet here. It prints from right to left, just like an offset press. So you've got a feeder, a print engine, dryers, and then a stacker at the end there. Now I'm going to have a closer look at the feeder. So this looks very familiar because it's basically the same as a lot of offset presses, except this one is automated. And we've done that because it's really important with a digital press, because I can change my data instantaneously. I've got to be able to change my sheets as well. So I need to be able to put a new palette in there and set that feeder up as fast as possible. So having an automated setup on the feeder is really important. That allows our customers to switch very quickly between paper, folding carton board, and microflute to print different applications. Next, we'll have a look at the print engine. So this uses water-based print heads, Samba from Fujifilm Dynamics, and we have a digital primer here. We've used a digital primer because it's very easy to change from different material widths and different paper types. So whether it's SBS, carton board, or uncoated, you can switch very quickly between those because you've got an inkjet primer. We've also got up to 7 inkjet colors, so that allows a very wide color gamut to hit all those brand Pantone colors you need. And the digital varnish we have at the end is the sort of final thing that completes a fully digital solution. So this allows us to switch everything in the primer, color, and varnish together when you change jobs. So that gives you very fast make-ready time. So underneath this, we've got a steel belt vacuum conveyor, which provides very fast and precise motion with strong suction, enabling high print quality in a wide range of media, up to 11,000 B1 sheets per hour. That's 150 meters per minute. So we've designed this to cope with the widest material range possible, so it can run with almost zero friction at very high speeds and very, very strong suction. So this warp we were talking about earlier, that isn't a problem because it pulls the sheet flat. Next, we've got the drying system. So we've got a hybrid system with both infrared and hot air drying, which we believe ensures the optimal condition of the printed media when it comes out of the printer. We've also behind that got bulk ink tanks there, which is very important because this machine is going to print a lot, so it will need a lot of ink, and that means you've got to be able to run continuously. So the ability to refuel on the fly during runs is essential, we think. Right at the end here, you've got a console, which provides user-friendly operation of the whole machine. And it also allows us to check the print quality on the fly. So we have image inspection cameras, which automatically analyze the print quality during production. So you can see if you have any quality issues, and you can automatically correct those issues on the fly using some of the methods that have been talked about earlier today. And there's also a reject station there because not all the material is perfect. So if you do get any bad sheets with dog ears, bent edges coming through, it's really important to be able to kick those out without them ending up in the print stack. And it also allows you to pull out a sheet deliberately if you wish to inspect the print quality on the actual material as it comes through. We've got a very high stacker there as well. That helps us run continuously at the full speed without interruption. So in summary, the SpeedSet we think is the first true digital solution with inkjet primer, color, and varnish, and an automatic setup feeder as well to provide the shortest make-ready, we think, of any comparable product. And it's designed to mostly for folding carton, but also for a wider range of markets, including advertising, point of purchase, and also out-of-home advertising. So what we expect over the next few years is that SpeedSet will grow into a family of larger machines, which will print on a wider range of media for different markets. So we've got here folding carton as our starting point, some out-of-home advertising, transport advertising, folding carton with corrugated, a litholam and flexo replacement, e-commerce packaging, which we talked about before, and billboards is another application which will be the same kind of sheet size, same kind of feeder, just a little bit longer. And also sheet metal packaging. So if you'd like to know more about this is a very rush stop 10-minute presentation, but feel free to ask a question now or approach me afterwards, or connect with us on LinkedIn and email this address. Thanks very much for listening.